Solid Edge Technical Publications provide the speed and flexibility you need to effectively communicate your product to customers. High-quality product and service manuals are created easily thanks to tight integration with your Solid Edge CAD data. Here we have an HTML5 interactive instruction manual for the Fiamma Espresso machine. Solid Edge Technical Publications offer more control and freedom over the configuration import of your design data. You can now select specific configurations, which will further streamline the creation process and improve performance, especially if all configurations aren't needed for creating your technical documentation. The new Illustration Zoom View command provides the ability to easily create enlarged views of specific areas of an existing illustration. Many different styles of Zoom View are available and provide great options to choose what's best for your document. Another new addition is the ability to save and reuse parts table settings. This allows tables to have the same consistent look and feel in all documentation. These settings can also be easily shared with others in the organization. There are also more options for customizing the font, color, and properties of cells, rows, or columns. The new Parts Filter tool makes it a breeze to find parts and then select them. You can search using metadata or even quantities as seen here. We quickly find, select, and unhide the cup needed for this particular step in the instruction process. It's also now possible to import a part's metadata from external sources like Microsoft Excel. Here we import some new metadata information from Excel and use the part text option to showcase some desired notes. In this example, we're on the cleaning instructions page and the notes field in the metadata relates to the recommended detergent which should be used for cleaning the filter holder. With the wide range of outputs offered by Solid Edge Technical Publications such as PDF, HTML5, Microsoft Word, and raster or vector images, creating technical documents and interactive manuals has never been easier.